Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you these two amazing and super easy fall DIYs. So let's jump right into that. Okay, so for this project we'll need two of the circles, and this is the leftovers from the 3D wreaths from the Dollar Tree. I have two identical, it's from obviously two sets, but I used it, and those are the bigger one because they come like bigger, smaller, and smaller. So I took off the pieces and made it a round, and then I wrapped both of my circles with the plain jute. I didn't do anything special. I just wrapped it all the way around until I reached the end, and sometime in between I was using a little bit of hot glue to keep it staying in place and not moving, and jute was really giving me some hard time to twisting around it, but I got it done. So this is what you keep doing, and see how I said I did a little bit of hot glue. I didn't really want it to cut. If you cut the pieces, I guess you can do it better than I did, but I didn't want to, I love my jute, so I don't want to waste a bunch of stuff. So I just keep wrapping it, and if you use the braided jute, it probably will be even better. I thought about it, but I just have a ton of this cheap Walmart jute. I will link it in the description below if you're interested. So here's my two pieces are done. This is the bottom from one of the containers from the Dollar Tree again. As I told you, I don't waste anything. So what I did, I made a little circle, meaning using the hot glue. And then I start just wrapping it around this bottom piece because I used the top of the container for I did one of the pieces that I'll show you, I think, in my next video, but we'll see how that goes because so far I'm still in the process. But I didn't want to throw away the top, so I wrapped it just like that. You add the hot glue and keep placing the jute around the bottom. So if you want to wrap it with something else, like a material, something fall or Christmassy, Halloweenish, I don't know, or something just plain for everyday decor. This is for fall, but I am gonna use it for everyday decor because this is gonna be so cool and easy to change that you can use it for any occasion that you would like to. So there you go. We got it the top all done. And now I'm just going in the sides because I wanted to do all of it so nothing peeks through. And of course the hot glue does the trick. It took me a while, I won't be lying, but it was worth it at the end. So now my bottom is done. Now I am gluing two of the circles. First of all, I was a little nervous how I'm going to do that because I have seen it in one of the I get like some magazines from Home Decor in the mail. Yes, I'm still old school and subscribe for some magazine. I'm not always, online. I know everything now on Pinterest and everything and Instagram, but I do like to have some time in paper. And yes, I am still at paper school. Even when I do my training at my work, I like it in the paper. So if you're with me, you will know what I mean. So I saw this in the paper, like a magazine. And I was like, how did they do that? And yes, one side was kind of giving me a trouble, and I started doubting myself if I got it right. But no, I got it right. So what you do, just do two sides simultaneously. And this way the top will hold. And then I got smarter. I got a clothespin to hold it. So, and the hot glue takes care of everything instantly, only a couple of minutes or seconds, and it's all glued together in one piece. But the paper, not the paper clip, the clothespin really helped me. Here you go, see? Isn't that cool? I just loved it. So now I attached the little pumpkin to the top, and I used just a dab of the hot glue just so we can change it later. Fall for the leaves for the fall, some pine cones, some berries, some acorns, anything you have in handy or leftovers, whatever you feel like it, or you can just put a candle in there and put some leaves on top. This is for the decoration only. Don't burn it. So there it is, our candle holder. Isn't it amazing? I just love it. Alrighty guys, this is gonna be cute and simple. I had this thing. Oh my gosh, it's just slipped my mind what it is. It's I got it at Dollar General. It goes across the table. Please help me out in the comments below. What do you call this? And my kids had spilled a lot of stuff during the holidays last year all over it, meaning on the middle. So instead of throwing away, I tried to get rid of the stains, but it didn't work out. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to make a cute decorated pillow for my couch. So what I did, it was perfect because this pictures were like on each side. So I cut them out and then I went and got my hot glue, but it is for fabric. If you have a sewing machine and you really know how to use it, which is probably plain and simple stitch here, but for me it's like a kryptonite. I do get better. So but I used the fabric glue. I glued every side and left a little hole. Got my everyday Walmart pillow, which is I always get on sale. So this time I really score. I got 2 for $2.50. So, and I worked in the sections because if you put too much, it's gonna become a bulky, and it's hard to, since you leave in a little space in there, it's hard to straighten it out. And you can either make it really firm or you can make it really like poofy and nice. So I'm kind of wanted both a little bit because I love the decorated pillow. If you're interested, I have a ton of something like that on my channel. If you're new, don't forget to click subscribe. This is a budget-friendly DIYs here, and I will show you on a budget how to decorate your home. But if you're returning, thank you so much, guys. It means a world to me of your support. Love reading your comments. I've been a little preoccupied lately with the projects, but I am back in business, and here we go. We stuffed our pillow and now we seal the little hole that we have left. This is, again, it's a decorated pillow, and you won't be able to wash it. I don't think it's a dry cleaning, probably the best for it. So what I do, I usually use the free breeze on it occasionally, but when the season is over, I'm wrapping it and put it in away so I can use it the next year if it survives that long. And one of my family members didn't ask to me kindly gifted to them. So most of my pillows are gone because I gifted them to neighbors, friends, and family. So anyway, that is all for today. This was a quick and easy fold projects. 2 of them are just amazing and will light up your house with all this decoration. So don't forget to click subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye for now.